How to remove edited symbol on Telegram. Unfortunately, Telegram does not currently offer a way to remove the edited symbol that appears after you have edited a message. Once you edit the message, the edited label will always show next to the timestamp for that message, and it cannot be hidden or removed through any settings. However, here are few things you can keep in mind. You can delete and resend the message. If the edit is critical and you don't want the edited label visible, you can delete the message and resend it. But this will erase any previous content and it might not always be ideal. Next is send a new message with correct information. Another option is to send a new message clarifying the mistake or correction. This avoids the edited label but might require more explanation. Telegram shows the edited symbol to maintain transparency so users can see when a message has been modified after sending. And that's it. This is how you can simply remove edited symbol on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.